We're here with Chris Nair from BMC Solar, and he's going to give us a brief explanation on a net metering agreement.
So the essence of a solar PV panel system, photovoltaic PV, is that when the daylight sun hits your solar panels, which are usually on a roof, it creates DC electricity. That DC electricity can't power your appliances, so it has to be converted to AC electricity, and that's accomplished by a very simple box called an inverter. And that's the essence of a solar power system. Sunlight gets converted to AC electricity. Well, what happens during the day? During the day, most of the lights aren't on. About the only thing that's running in somebody's house is, assuming that they have a solar PV panel system, is a refrigerator and maybe some computers and clock radios. So those appliances will use whatever electricity they need. But most solar panel systems are designed to create certainly more than the daytime minimum. Now that excess electricity has to go somewhere, and it actually goes right back into your utility grid. But it has to pass through your electric meter, and in doing so spins that meter backwards, which is a very unusual thing. It only happens at the houses of people who own solar panel systems. By spinning the meter backwards, it actually creates a tally that the utility company keeps to know how much electricity you have fed back into their system. Okay. At night, when you have to turn on the lights, when the sun is gone and it's not producing any more electricity, now the meter spins forwards, just like it does in almost everybody else's house. So at the end of the day, the utility company would be able to figure out what your net usage is. In other words, what you took out of the grid and what you supplied into it. And that basically is the net amount of electricity that you used from the utility. So they give you a choice of either doing it on a monthly basis or on an annual basis. And what they do is they figure out what the net usage was over that billing period, be it a month or be it a year. And since you invoked the help of your meter to keep track of it, you put those two words together, net and meter, and that's what is called net metering.